Hi! If you're preparing for a college audition on alto saxophone or tenor saxophone, organization can make or break your performance. Today, I'll show you exactly how to prepare so you can walk in confident and ready. Hi, my name is Boti Garcia from Boti Sax Online. Welcome to my channel. This is all about saxophone here. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic requirements you need to pass your college audition on alto saxophone or tenor saxophone. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel so we can keep producing content like this.
Number 1. Know the requirements. Not all the audition requirements are the same. Do you need to memorize all your scales? What are the sight reading expectations? What are the acceptable jazz and classic solos? Do you know if there's a written test?
Bottom line, do not show unprepared. But before we continue, I want to let you know that I put together my first volume of easy saxophone backing tracks on E flat and B flat. So you can play them on alto, tenor, soprano, even baritone sax if you want to. I will leave the link on the description. Go check them out. Now let's continue with the video.
Number 2. Organize your music binder. Put together your scales, your classical piece, your jazz solo, any sight reading material, and any other requirement from the institution. This is crucial. Put together as much information as you can. Check your equipment. Take your saxophone to a qualified repair technician and have it checked for leaks. Play on a mouthpiece that allows you to perform comfortably in the style of music for which you are auditioning. Bring a music stand with you, and if you're using a tablet, be sure to bring printed copies of your music to share with the audition panel.
Remember, an audition is not the place to try a new mouthpiece or to break in a new reed.
So here's one of the most important parts, your strategy. Break sessions into 10 minutes to practice your tone, 10 minutes to practice your scales, up and down, major and minor, 20 minutes to work in your piece, your solo piece, your jazz piece, 10 minutes to work on isolated problems in your piece or your scales. Record yourself, play full mock auditions, and practice walking in and out. The day of the audition, arrive early, warm up properly, bring everything organized, be professional and respectful, dress appropriately. Stay tuned for more content, and for now, keep practicing.